Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in hydrocarbon chapter. So you know that this is one of the lessons in organic chemistry in 11th standard portion. You know that. Now let us see the first question in the chapter. You know that first question is one of the following which does not observe anti-Marconic of additions of HBr is dash. Okay, they're asking which one will not undergo anti-Marcon rule. That's the question. Okay, option A pen 2 in, option B propene, option C but 2 in, option D but 1 in. Next one, question number 2. Which of the following compounds with molecular formula C5H10 yields acetone on Voss analysis? Okay. Option A 3-methyl-1-butene. Option B cyclopentane. Option C 2-methyl-1-butene. Option D 2-methyl-2-butene. Next one. Question number 3. When acetylene is passed through dilute H2SO4 in the presence of mercurous sulfate, the compound formed is dash. Option A acetic acid. Option B ketone. Option C ether. Option D acetaldehyde. Next one, fourth question. Among the following compounds, the one that is most reactive towards electrophilic nitration is dash. Okay, so they're asking which one undergo electrophilic nitration most. Option A benzoic acid. Option B nitrobenzene. Option C toluene. Option D benzene. Next one, fifth one. Benzene reacts with CH3Cl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to form dash. Option A chlorobenzene. Option B benzyl chloride. Option C xylene. Option D toluene. Next one, question number 6th one. The order of decreasing reactivity towards an electrophilic reagent for the following would be. So you know the compound is given benzene, toluene, chlorobenzene, phenol. Okay, so you have to find out the decreasing order of reactivity towards electrophilic reagents. Okay, so option A, you know, second one is greater than, fourth one is greater than, first one is greater than, third one. Option B, fourth one is greater than, third one is greater than, second one is greater than, first one. Option C, fourth one is greater than, second one is greater than, first one is greater than, third one. Option D, first one is greater than, second one is greater than, third one is greater than, fourth one. Okay, next one. Question number 7. Phenol reacts with zinc to form A, which undergoes reduction by nickel in presence of H2 to form B. Identify A and B. That's a question. Okay, see option A benzene and cyclohexanol. Option B cyclohexanol and benzene. Option C phenol and benzene. Option D benzene and cyclohexane. So students, these are the 7 questions. So I'll give but before that you study all the naming reactions, some important reactions in the chapter. Okay, so next class I'll give the solution to this. Thank you.